Today, it's really an auspicious day for all of us as we are celebrating the birthday of our honorable, beloved chairperson, sir. On this auspicious eve, I would like to welcome our honorable chairperson, sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu. I would like to take the privilege to welcome all the directors, Dynamic Director, Ma'am Rashmita Garu, HR Director, who is none other than like our mother. She is our motherly figure. She takes care everyone in our Paramita family. She is none other than Prasanna Prasad Garu. I would like to welcome most industrious personality of our Paramita family. He is none other than Mr. Vinod Kumar Garu. And I would like to welcome the dignitaries here, everyone. I would like to welcome Rakesh Prasad Garu, the director of our Paramita family. I would like to welcome adorable director Anukar Rao Garu. I also would like to welcome the most efficient person as far as the technology is concerned, smooth speaker, a wizard in technology, VM Prasad Garu. I would like to welcome all the administrators, principals, vice principals, coordinators, teachers, dear parents, beloved students, and my colleagues, everyone. As you know, that today is really a special moment for all of us. The eve of birthday is none other than, I could say, it's a special moment to cherish in the life of every personality. Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu is the most eminent personality, I could say, in the entire Telangana. He is the one who has transformed the educational system. He is the one who has given a proper definition how the teaching strategies have to be executed. He is a role model for every person, I could say, in the fraternity of education. He has changed the paradigm of the education. If you see the involvement from our chairman, sir, it is like a kind of a role model where you can where you can find a guru, where you can find a motivational speaker, where he changes the entire life, even for a layperson. So we know that on your footsteps, because of your guidelines, today we are just what you can call blossoming in the beautiful terrain of our Paramita family. So your birthday is just not a birthday, it's just kind of a celebration for all of us. And we really always would like to celebrate this particular eve from the core of our hearts, sir. It is, we won't say just it's a birthday. It is a celebration. It's a kind of a gala for all of us. We really admire and adore you, sir. I cannot explain that. I cannot reveal that in my words. It is really an indefinite love, perennial love, which we want to shower you, sir, forever, ever, and ever. On this eve, really, we actually feel that it is a moment we would like to take us, we would like to cherish this moment forever. We would like to keep this moment, we would like to capture this moment in our heart, in our mind forever until we survive in this planet, sir. You have started your career as a teacher, but today you have made an extraordinary profile, sir. You have changed the society through your mindsets. And today you are giving an employment to everyone here. And not only it's about an employment, but you also see how the society go on. You also think about how the people must go through their livelihood. It is not only about the profession, but you have the touch of social awareness, sir. You have a very good touch of social awareness where you can see what society requires. You always give more and what you can call extraordinary impact to the ethical values and human values. It's my personal experience. I have never ever seen a person who gives this much of importance to the human values, ethical values, and moral values. Whoever works in our Paramita family, I could say that he will or she will experience the respect. He or she will experience the true touch of humanity, where that person will prosper, where that person will experience the marvelous, magnanimous effort of the true humanity. Sir, on this eve, really, I would like to welcome everyone. I would like to welcome everyone onto this great gala, and we really feel so privileged, and we really feel so happy for this. So, now it's a moment for all of us to have a nostalgic moment and to live in that moment. We have a surprise for you, sir. And that surprise is going to be played on the screen.
मेरे सपने अपने समझकर पूरा उनको करते हो, उन सपनों की कीमत क्या क्या सह के अदा करते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो।
We all really love you, sir. It's an epic moment, I could say that. It's really an epic moment, historical, monumental moment for all of us, sir. And thank you, sir, for giving such a special moment in our lives. We really obliged you, sir, so much. Now, there is another nostalgic touch, which will really bring the beautiful smiles onto our faces, scintillating smiles onto our faces. Principal ma'am, could you please take all of us towards that particular point? Yeah. It's a surprise, sir. Again, a kind of a surprise for you. There are lots of surprises, sir. It is the mesmerizing memories for our Paramita family. And you can see lots of heart-touching pictures, which is unveiled by our chairman, sir, Honorable Chairperson, sir, Dr. E. Prasad Rao Garu. What a memory, really. These memories are awesome, simply superb. Really, I could feel that it's a moment of gala, it's a moment of jubilation here going on. And it is not only the enlightenment of knowledge, it is the enlightenment of happiness, which we are realizing and experiencing right now. Every picture describes the beautiful moments of lives, my dear friends. Every moment is very, very special for everyone. It is very close to our heart. It defines the happiness, the theory of happiness. I request the dignitaries, please, to be seated. Now, you know very well, in our Paramita family, we have versatile personalities. We have extraordinary, skillful people. All people are the masters in their own skills. Some of them are technocrats. Nowadays, all have become technocrats because of the grace of our dynamic directors and our honorable chairperson, sir. Really, I could tell you, after working in Paramita, what you can call, the movement of life has been shifted towards my ambition, towards my goals, sir. As I've told you that we have versatile personalities, extraordinary human beings. They are masters in their own, what you can call, arena, into their terrain. Now, let me take the privilege to request my colleague, Pavan sir, to please come here and make us mesmerized with his melodious voice. So please give him a round of applause, my dear friends.
Good morning, one and all. Sir, I wish you a happy birthday to you. ఆనందం ఈ వేళ మా గుండెల్లో ఉత్సాహం పొంగేను మా కన్నుల్లో ఆనందం ఈ వేళ మా గుండెల్లో ఉత్సాహం పొంగేను మా కన్నుల్లో ప్రసాద్ గారు వచ్చేను మమ్ముల దీవించేను శారదా కటాక్షముతో మమ్ముల కరుణించేను వెయ్యేళ్ళు జీవించాలంటూ మీరెప్పుడు మా గుండెల్లో కొలువై ఉన్నారు. హ్యాపీ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ సార్, ఆల్వేస్ బీ హ్యాపీ. హ్యాపీ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ సార్, ఆల్వేస్ బీ హ్యాపీ. Birthday wishes from the side of teaching staff. Birthday wishes from the side of non-teaching staff. We wish you happy birthday to you, my dear. We wish you happy birthday to you, my dear. Happy happy birthday to you, sir. Always be happy. Happy happy birthday to you, sir. Always be happy. Always be happy. Always be happy. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Really, it's a God gift, Pavan sir. What you can call, it's really an amazing song which you have sung just now. And yes, we'll be happy forever. Now, here we go for another moment. So far, whatever we have witnessed, it is about the personal profile or the personal life of our chairman, sir. We have seen lots of photos, lots of photographs, and we really admire and adore and we cherish that. Now, I could say the point where the different or a novel, or I could say a great transformation has begun. It is when he really turned towards his profession. Profession in the sense where he started motivating and changing the society through his spiritual touch, through his motivational touch. And I'm telling you now also, lots of us, lots of people are getting motivation and inspiration from him. I could say that it's just a kind of a moment of privilege, a moment of pride for all of us to take the glimpses of the journey of our honorable beloved chairperson, sir. So here we go on the screen.
When an ordinary mind starts doing something, says, let me start after a few days. It looks at the dark side of the coin and withdraws immediately. But when an extraordinary mind starts and never looks at setbacks, but progress in life. Chairman Sir believed not in measurable knowledge with marks or ranks, but believed in unmeasurable knowledge with loyalty, virtuosity, character building, wisdom, and honesty in deeds.
పారమిత ప్రస్థానంలో ప్రథములు మీరు, ప్రపంచానికి వెలుగునిచ్చే దివ్యలు మీరు, విద్యను వికసింపచేసే విశ్వేశ్వరులు మీరు, పారమిత పిల్లల ప్రత్యక్ష దైవం మీరు, విద్యలో విశేష జ్ఞానం, బోధనలో బోలెడు అనుభవం, మాటలలో మమతానురాగం, పనిలో పరమశివతత్వం వెరసి మా అందరి ఆత్మీయ గురువు ప్రసాదరావు గారు. పారమిత అనే పారిజాత పూలవనంలో ఎన్నెన్నో విద్యాకుసుమాలను వికసింపజేయిస్తూ భావి భారత పౌరుల భవిష్యత్తుకు బంగారు బాటలు వేయిస్తున్న మీరు ఆ షిరిడీ సాయిబాబా ఆశీస్సులతో, ఆయురారోగ్యాలతో, అష్టైశ్వర్యాలతో నిరంతరం ముందుకు సాగాలని మరియు పారమిత పాఠశాలకు ప్రపంచపటంలో ప్రత్యేక స్థానం ఏర్పరచాలని కోరుకుంటూ పారమిత హెరిటేజ్ పాఠశాల అందిస్తున్న పారిజాతాక్షరమాల.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
All of you, please give our honorable chairpersons your warm wishes, really. Sir, you have been in the journey and you have seen lots of photographs, and I hope that we have touched the core of your hearts. Yeah. Yes, sir. So really, it's a great moment for all of us to see these many pictures. Even this is my 4th year in Paramita family, and the pictures, whatever I have seen, it is really so amazing and so emotional for me. What I'm thinking, do you know, Balaji sir? I'm thinking that why I born in 1988? I could have born a little bit earlier so that I could have got a chance to work in Paramita. Right. Fine. Let's move ahead. You know very well that our Paramita family doesn't work only for the academics, but it also enriches and nourishes the inner and hidden talent or skills of the lads and lasses. We believe in that theory, we believe in that concept. Skills will be given much and more concentration here. So you know very well that puppet show has become an apple of an eye here. Has become an apple of an eye. Everyone likes it. Everyone wants to see that. It is so fascinating. I hope you are sitting in your home and you are also so fascinated to watch the artistic skills of our children. So here we go on the screen, my dear friends.
Hi everyone, my name is Savani. I'm first class at Paramita School. Today is very special. Tata, today's Chemesa birthday. This is very biggest gift. Are you love this? Chemesa is very good. He start Paramita School. This is biggest gift, birthday gift. Sir is motivator, philosopher. Before that, let's listen to Asan piano.
Good morning, Chairman sir. My name is Muhammad Adnan Ahmad. I am studying in first class in Paramita Heritage School. I am wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you, sir.
Jump into Puppet Show. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too.
Do you know today is our chairman sir birthday?
I know. Yes.
Do you know about our chairman sir?
Yes.
Tell me about him.
Chairman sir is good and great.
Do you know more about him?
No.
Shall I tell you?
Yes, please.
Do Do you know our Paramita started in 1996?
Great.
And now our Paramita is 25 years old.
Wow, nice.
Our chairman sir have only one goal, and it is to make children learn.
Yes, it is.
Do you know our chairman sir was a very successful person, and he was born to Agama Rao and Alivelu in Chegurti. First aided post was Vaniniketan, which is one of the best schools where he carried his studies later. Joined as correspondent at Jyotishmati in 1996 on June 18th. Later, he continued his journey to establishing Paramita with 20 teachers and 200 kids.
Wow.
Our chairman sir did many good things, so he became a great person in our society.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't he great?
Yeah, he very great. He good person.
Yeah.
Hey, what is FP about sir?
Sir is having innovative thoughts. Shall I tell you?
Yes.
Project based learning (PBL) is a teaching method in which students learn by actively engaging in real world and personally meaningful projects. It's interesting.
Wow. Hey, can you tell more?
Yeah. Shall I tell you more?
Yes.
It's really proud moment that we got 11th grade appreciation too.
Why?
Yes, sir introduced this ideal where a student is learning the concept by hands-on experience involving multidisciplinary.
You do. Wow, so nice. Hooray, I like star ideas. Thank you. Did you all learn about dementia? It's very important to learn. Okay then, bye everyone.
Yes. Yes, whatever you have seen, it's just a sheer talent of our Paramita kids, and we really admire and we appreciate and we encourage them every time. Now, it's a great moment for all of us as I just here to say a few points about the students and the teachers who are the real alumni of our Paramita family, who have spent many years with us, enjoyed the fragrance and the flavor of real education. They have nurtured themselves here. They have gone to the paradigm of the true learning. And whenever you hear their experiences, that moment or that feel really makes you happy and so joyful. So my dear friends, let us listen their experiences. Let us listen their point of view, perspectives, and let us see how do they feel actually about our Paramita family and about our beloved chairperson, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. We all wish you a very happy birthday. It is a complete bliss to be a Paramitan. Those days were just the best. You are the torch bearer, which is why Paramita is still the brand icon. We all pray for your health and happiness. The day is still young and let you celebrate so many birthdays like this, sir.
Many more happy returns of the day, sir. Thanks for being in our lives, sir. You are great inspiration for us. Your motivation classes are unforgettable. You not only gave us motivation but create willpower that we achieve something in our life. Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice day.
Our chairman, sir, he is a guide, philosopher, and a motivator. We wish you many more happy rest of the day, sir. Thank you.
శుభోదయం. ముందుగా సార్కు జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. విద్యా దదాతి వినయం వినయాద్యాతి పాత్రతం పాత్రత్వార్థనమాప్నోతి ధనాధర్మం తత్సుఖం. పారమిత 1996 జూన్ శ్రీమతి శ్రీ ప్రసాదరావు గారు ప్రసూనా మేడం గారితో నా ప్రయాణం మొదలైంది. ఈ పారమిత కుటుంబంతో నాకు ఎనలేని సంబంధం ఉంది. సార్ ఏ సభలో అయినా పారమిత కుటుంబంలో మొదటి ఉపాధ్యాయురాలని ఉచ్చరిస్తారు. సార్ అంటేనే నైతిక విలువలకు పెట్టింది మారు పేరుగా నిలుస్తారు. పాఠశాలలో దిగువ స్థాయి నుండి మొదలు ఎగువ స్థాయి ఉద్యోగులు, విద్యార్థులు, తల్లిదండ్రులకు సమాన విలువనిస్తారు. ప్రతి ఒక్కరి మంచి చెడులను గురించి ఆలోచిస్తారు. విద్యార్థుల పట్ల అభిమానము, ఉపాధ్యాయుని ఉపాధ్యాయుల పట్ల అన్నదమ్ముల అక్కా చెల్లెళ్ళ అనుబంధము, గురుభక్తి, శిష్యానురక్తి, స్నేహఫలము, గురుఫలము, వినయంతో ఒదగడము, వివేకంతో ఎదగడము ఇలాంటి ఉత్తమ ధర్మాలను ఆచరిస్తే మనిషి ఎదగగలడని సార్ నుండి నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను. పిరికితనం లేని మృదు గంభీర స్వభావం, సత్యాన్ని ధర్మాన్ని ఆచరించే సౌహృదయం, తోటి మనిషికి కాలానికి ప్రకృతికి విలువనిచ్చే సుజ్ఞాని. అందుకే నాకు పారమిత సమస్తమని, నేను 25 సంవత్సరాల సుదీర్ఘ ప్రయాణంలో ఎలాంటి ఒడుదొడుకులు లేకుండా సాగించాను. నా మనసు మానసికంగా నేనెక్కడ ఉన్నా నా ఆత్మ పారమిత చుట్టే తిరుగుతుంది. అందుకే పారమిత మనసా సతతం స్మరణీయం, వచసా సతతం వదనీయం అంటూ మరొకసారి పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Happy birthday, sir. Sir, I always feel great to say that I worked in Paramita. My journey with you taught me wonderful things, sir. And Paramita ensured me that my life is meaningful, though I don't have anyone. Sir, we did many wonderful activities, events in Paramita, and they were unique, memorable, and historical. We did with love and dedication, and I remember your love and faith on us made us to work with more interest. Sharda Madam's guidance was keeping us always on the right track. I don't forget, sometimes we are trying to escape from Vinod Sar's vision. It was a challenge. All those were the memorable days. We can't forget those days. Anyway, may God grant all your wishes. Have a memorable birthday, sir. Many happy returns of the day. My love to you, sir. Thank you.
सर जी नमस्ते. आपको जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं. जन्मदिन के इस शुभ अवसर पर एक बधाई गीत प्रस्तुत है. जन्मदिन मुबारकबाद देते हम सब रे, उम्र होवे लंबी चांद तारों के संग रे, उम्र होवे लंबी चांद तारों के संग रे. चांद सूर्य गंगा यमुना जब तक धारा चांद सूर्य गंगा यमुना, जब तक धारा तब तक मनाते रहो जन्मदिन प्यारा। लाख वर्ष जियो ईश्वर करेगा रहम रे, उम्र होवे लंबी चांद तारों के संग रे, उम्र होवे लंबी चांद तारों के संग रे। मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि। तेजस्वी भव ओजस्वी भव मनोवांछित फलम प्राप्तरस्तु, दीर्घायुष्मान भव। धन्य।
Namaste sir, namaste madam. Sir, it's my pleasure to wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns. My association with you and Paramita has given me so much of satisfaction, pleasure and memories which I always cherish. Happy birthday to you sir again. And I hope and pray Rashmita and Rakesh will carry forward your vision and mission to greater heights. Sairam, thank you.
Happy birthday, sir. Administrators like you with great vision and great thinking are very rare and very much needed for the society. Generally, a student from a very good school comes out with good education, but Paramita students, they come out with good education, knowledge, willpower, confidence and discipline. These qualities groom them into good citizens, and in this way the service you are doing to the society is impeccable. The advanced curriculums you are introducing in the education system are really laudable. We wish every success for your future endeavors, and we pray the Almighty to give you very long and healthy life. And I would like to thank the Paramita staff for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सर, मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। ऐसे अवसर पर मैं अल्लाह से दुआ मांगती हूँ कि आपको लंबी उम्र दे, अच्छी सेहत दे, आपके जीवन में सुख समृद्धि हो, आपके परिवार खुशी से रहे और सुखी रहे, और आपके जो भी सपने हैं वो पूरे हो, चाहे वो परिवार से संबंधित हो या फिर एजुकेशन फील्ड से संबंधित हो। मुझे याद है कि मैं इतने सालों में जब आपको जानती हूँ, आप हमेशा यही चाहते हैं कि कैसे एक छात्र को अच्छी से अच्छी शिक्षा दी जाए, अच्छा एजुकेशन दिया जाए, स्कूल को कैसे आगे बढ़ाए, टीचर्स को कैसे वेल इक्विप्ड करे, अच्छे टेक्नोलॉजी से या मेथड्स यूज़ करके आप एक टीचर को कैसे संपूर्ण देखना चाहते हैं, पूरे नॉलेज से परिपूर्ण देखना चाहते हैं, और एक बच्चे के भविष्य को कैसे अच्छा बनाया जाए, स्कूल कैसे अच्छा बनाया जाए, समाज को कैसे आगे बढ़ाए या अच्छा समाज कैसे निर्माण करे, यही सब आपके सपने हैं। तो यही दुआ है कि आपके सपने पूरे हो, अल्लाह उसमें आपकी मदद करे, इसमें जो भी ऑब्स्टेकल्स हो ये दूर हो जाए अपने आप। सर, मैं पारामिता में मेरे बिताए हुए वो सुनहरे पल कभी नहीं भुला पाऊँगी कि किस तरह मैंने शुरुआत में यहाँ पहला कदम अपना रखा, ऐसी डरी सी मैं रहती थी, फिर बाद में मेरी इच्छा आगे बढ़ने की, और आपको आसपास देखकर कैसे मैंने हिम्मत जुटाया, और आप लोग और मैडम कैसे मोटिवेट करते हैं टीचर्स को, अपनापन दिखाते हैं। इसकी वजह से कई टीचर्स बहुत कुछ यहाँ सीखते हैं या उनको यहाँ काम करने का मन करता है। छात्र जो भी आते हैं वो तो एक अच्छा उज्जवल भविष्य पाते ही हैं, साथ में टीचर्स भी यहाँ पर बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं और अपने आप को तराश कर यहाँ से आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो ऐसे ये सब इतने अच्छे वातावरण में कौन नहीं काम करना चाहेगा। तो मेरी यहाँ से बहुत अच्छी यादें जुड़ी हुई है, इसके लिए धन्यवाद सर। और फिर से एक बार आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत सी शुभकामनाएं।
Hello sir, happy birthday sir. May God bless you with healthy, happy, long life sir. You are the ray of hope in many of the lives. You always guide, teach, support every individual. I never felt that I have lost my father because I found you sir. Today whatever I am, that is because of Paramita. I can proudly say that Paramita is a launching pad for me. For everything, today whatever I am, that is because of Paramita. Thank you so much sir, and I wish you once again a very very happy birthday sir. Thank you.
This is Ramnarao, Chairperson Bhagwati Adventist Schools Karimnagar. On the great occasion of Dr. V. Prasad Rao, I would like to convey my best wishes. His magnanimous personality and his contributions to our education is very high, and his sheer friend and loves everyone, and he became pioneer by establishing Paramita Irish Explorica schools in Karimnagar. He contributes a lot by sharing his knowledge and wisdom to all his friends. He became a great member in NISA and advisor, and also he is supporting a lot to TRUSMA and contributing all his teaching learning experiences for the betterment of school education. He works with the nation spirit and statehood policies. What he learns, he tells to others, and he has visited so many countries, global schools, and acquired vast knowledge and implemented.
పారామిత విద్యా సంస్థల చైర్మన్ శ్రీ ప్రసాదరావు గారికి 64వ జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతూ, మీరు పారామిత విద్యా సంస్థను స్థాపించి 25 సంవత్సరాలు కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని ఎన్నో నష్టాలకి కష్టాలను ఎదుర్కొంటూ ఎన్నో ఒడిదొడుకులను ఎదుర్కొంటూ పారామిత విద్యా సంస్థను విజయప్రదంగా ముందుకు సాగుతున్న మీకు నా యొక్క శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Happy birthday to you, sir. Your commitment and dedication was always inspiration to me. You are a source for all the young educators like us. Talking to you is always a learning experience. I wish you to celebrate many days like this. Once again, I wish you happy.
Hi sir, hope you're doing good. I wish you a very very happy birthday sir. I feel it's a great pleasure for me to get this opportunity to greet you on your birthday. It's been a long time, like we met around 5 or 6 years ago. I think we should do that very often. I feel very proud to look at where Paramita is today. And congratulations sir, it is all because of your efforts, your hard work, your management, and definitely it's a team effort I would say, but under your guidance. So hearty congratulations on 25 years as well. Once again wish you a very very happy birthday sir. One thing I would like to mention as well is I feel proud that I am a part of the Paramita family, and I still feel that connect with the school, with the teachers. I mean, it was a great time, great time. I wish we should do the alumni meets sir, if possible, to go back to those old memories. It gives a lot of happiness to meet the teachers, or to meet the old friends, to meet you definitely. So if possible, we should plan on that sir. Once again, happy birthday. Have a great day sir. Thank you. Thanks.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే సార్. ఈ సమాజంలో ఒక అతీతమైన వ్యక్తిగా, గొప్ప శక్తిగా ఎదిగిన మీరు గత 4 దశాబ్దాలుగా విద్యనే పరమార్థంగా భావించి విద్యార్థులకు, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, విద్యావేత్తలకు మార్గదర్శనం చేస్తున్న తీరు నిజంగా అభినందనీయం. మీ ద్వారా ప్రపంచ దేశాల్లో వెలుగు నింపుతున్న మీరు ఆయురారోగ్యాలతో, అష్టైశ్వర్యాలతో వర్ధిల్లాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ మీ మిత్రుడు.
That I can tell you. Whenever you just have the interaction, or whenever you, what you can call, exchange your thought process with your honorable chairperson, sir, the magnanimous personality will capture your mindset. It will capture your mindset, no doubt about it. I can assure you, my dear friends. Because now and then, whenever I meet Chairman, sir, I just would like to take that magnanimous thought process from him. And I am so blessed for that. This is what, see, we have different teachers, different feelings, but one thing is common. That is the true love and affection towards our beloved chairperson, sir. They are very pure. You can see, you might have seen their eyes. They are almost soaked. They are brimming with the honest, loyal feelings. They're sharing their point of view, but that is not the fact. They are sharing their affection. They're sharing their true love. They see Chairman Sir as a father. That is what we want. A perfect guru, a perfect father, a torchbearer, I could say, who will show the path and says, go on, just walk. Success is there. Don't panic. I am here, standing back of you to assure you everything is okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that. We have many eminent personalities here, my dear friends. I could call them the people of elite panel. And it has been almost second year in the academic life under the vigilance of Vadhva ma'am. And Vadhva ma'am, actually, I know that you also have a very good touch of philosophy. And your literary knowledge is amazing, I know that. So do you want to listen something from Vadhva ma'am? Or Principal ma'am? Any poem? Right? So here we go. I would like to request you, ma'am, to please read a poem here.
No, I did not. This is from, so you know what he was praising me was not from me. This is from Suparna on behalf of all the teachers that we are presenting. So we just sat down yesterday. So I just sent her my thoughts, and that has been put into words by Suparna. So people are, I don't have my specs, that's bad. People are born in thousands of numbers, but rare are those who live for others. Generous in nature and genuine in thought, prompt in action, and to be worthy a lot. Such a person is our Chairman Sir, who is the rarest of the rare. He is a teacher and an educator who always keeps our morals high. Whenever we need valuable guidance, he obliges, he wishes with his generous forever. His words are pearls and speechless gold, were infused with all young and old. He motivates us to have a positive effect, which makes us more ahead and let us with mixed new ideas. Thank you, sir. This is from the teachers that we wanted to say, and we really wish you a very, very happy birthday. The coming year, we will look forward to be under you, learn from you. And what we did today was just our pure feelings, where we wanted you to guide us, show us the way. So one thing that Tirupati brought, I'll just like to carry forward. I'll take a minute. So that reminds me of a man, that once a person wanted to cross a bridge. So he told that another person was standing there. So he said, please I'm going down the bridge, just help me cross the bridge. So this person said, wow, I don't have any work. Why should I help you cross the bridge? You try it on your own. So when this A person was crossing the bridge was shaking. So he was very angry with this person. Why he did not want to help me? But when he reached the other side, he found out that the other man was holding the broken bridge. So we are all sailing into that bridges. We want to go ahead, and people learned as you, who have seen so much of world in education, are our guiding factors. Me, my team, this Paramita group of schools, and the CBSE branch. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the words of wisdom. And really, we are following that, and we will follow that. I can assure you. Now the moment has begun. I know what are you waiting for, all of you. Let us have that moment. And I would like to request our Honorable Chairperson, sir, to please cut the cake here, which is nothing but the symbol of our respect, love, affection, and tribute. Here we go. A mouth-watering cake actually is decorated, organized very well. And I want you to please give huge thunderous applauses, thunderous claps. Here we go. The moment of cake cutting is on the way. It's a different terrain, I know that, but nevertheless, it's what I can say that a memorable one, which we remember forever with us. I request everyone, my dear friends, to please shower affection through your birthday song. Here we go, all of you. We are here to celebrate the birthday you offer, Honorable Chairperson, sir. And wow, it has been a tremendous moment. Let us sing Happy Birthday, Happy Birthday, dear. It's a token of respect, token of love, token of affection. This is what the family is all about.
Respected Rashmi, Ashu, Hanumantrao, Srikar, Balaji, Prasad, Nagaprasad, all the organizers today, Shirisha, Deepthi, and Sushma. Sanjay. Our organizer, Tirupati, Abhinav, yeah. Abhinav and Babu Rao and the team, and all of you, all the teachers, Praveen and everyone. Yeah. Supriya, ma'am. Yeah. Great. And all the teachers over there, the past teachers, those who spoke today, and teachers, and also Madhavi, also past student. I think this is one of the most memorable days, I think, because the way it is organized, ideas pooled, resources gathered, people contacted, audio versions taken, videos exhibited. The entire, the process was very, very celebratory in nature. Sometimes I feel whether we deserve so much of love. Have we done so much to deserve so much of love? Always I'm a person who introspects a lot. Because that introspection is very important. Ultimately, when you put a step forward or backward, or when you think something about or you feel something, there should be something tangible. You cannot do anything without, kind of as teachers have spoken, whether you have to see whether you're putting one step forward, does it mean ecology? Ecology means, is it good for you, good for others? But good for you, bad for others is not ecology. That's one of the most important things that everyone should understand, especially during Corona times. Because this Corona has taught us many things. As I looked at the faces, lovely faces of all the teachers here, principals and everyone, this is the big army of Paramita group of schools, Irisford School and Explore, a big army. And today Paramita Heritage School has really organized it so very well. Really, I should thank Ashu, Rashmita and the entire team for this. I looked at the faces of Rajkumari, Kaur, this is our, Gnatavi, then Padma, then Tiwari, then Harsh, Padmavati madam, Pramila madam, Kurshid madam, so many people. Rather, your messages were very, very touching to me, because I still remember those days when we built up Paramita by brick by brick. Paramita was not built just by the chairman. Chairman was one of the bricks. So each one was a brick. Each one put a brick by becoming a brick itself. Paramita is not a small school. It's a big movement. It's a big movement. It is a center where it attracts people. It doesn't repel people. It attracts goodness. It attracts, what you call dignity, decorum, decency, human values. That's more important thing. And I am the last person to accept that a human being has to live with indignity. No, every human being has a right to live in complete dignity. That's more important thing. So our dignity cannot be bartered to anyone else. A dignity of a human being, again, is decided by how the human being actually, what you call thinks, feels, responds, acts, and actually moves forward. How does that human being search his soul? That soul searching is very important thing. Dear teachers, nothing is permanent in this world. What is permanent is that your smile is permanent. Your goodness is permanent. Your character is permanent. Your great personality is permanent. The things that you leave behind in this world is permanent. All other things will go away. Even money will go away, property will go away, body will go, everything will go away. Finally, what did you leave? Yesterday, I was looking at it when the Olympics were happening, how people who came from, she was telling, the girl was telling, she wanted to play after winning the hockey match, beating Australia which is the best team in the world. In the women's segment, nobody in India or the world thought that India would beat Australia. But the day was made on the day, 2 days ago, where India overpowered Australia, and the entire nation was stunned. Australia was stunned in pain, but India was stunned with this surprise, and all 130 crore people were in complete jubilation. So the captain was talking. The captain, she's a girl from a very, very poor family from Haryana. And in Haryana, they were told, parents were told, she was sharing that I am told by people that I should not go anywhere. I should not do exercise. I should not play hockey. I should not be left out. My parents were forced, but I convinced my parents. I joined hockey, she said, though we didn't have sufficient food to eat. I joined this hockey only because when it was raining, my entire house was in floods. I could not sleep well. I could not eat well. So I wanted to play hockey and then win a medal for the country. And then I wanted to have a house for myself. She got her house already constructed because she got 1 or 2 medals somewhere. Now when she put India into semi-finals with the help of the other team, she says, today I'm a proud daughter of India. I'm a very proud daughter of India. So poverty does not mean, poverty does not count at all. Poverty is one kind of a thing. What is more damaging is the mental poverty. That mental poverty is more damaging than the real poverty. So when the mind's riches, I always feel, when the mind's riches are discovered completely and used, calls them to order and use them appropriately to the context. And I think that mind will take care of the poverty. That mind will take care of the poverty because the world has been witness to that. World has been witness to that. So on this occasion, I don't want to take much time. Of late, I was writing I have written around 25-30 poems so far. Maybe we'll see how it will go. I just read, 1 second. One second. Okay. So, O man, thou art means in English, you are. Thou art the creator of thy destiny. Everyone is a creator of his or her destiny. Our children, every child, teacher's child, our child, your child, my child, they can create their destiny. So, O man, thou art the creator of thy destiny. Indulge and implore to conduct mutiny. We have to conduct a kind of revolt, a mutiny. Why? Because you need to implore. You go inside, search deep inside, and conduct a mutiny. You come out something else than what you are today. It is possible. So it is the appeal is conduct mutiny through indulgence of imploration. Next, to craft the life from the tyranny of a wrong habit. We are all into somehow wrong habit. So to craft the life from the tyranny, it's of a wrong habit, which dwarfed your existence to damn it. So this wrong habit has dwarfed, make our life very, very small. Could be wrong habit, could be anything, wrong thinking. It could be anything. So that has dwarfed our existence. So damn it. Arise and live in elements unborrowed. Even you yourself have everything. You yourself have your mind, your intelligence, your proper emotions, your body, your energy. So arise and live in elements unborrowed. Don't borrow from others because you have everything. Then for the inheritances accrued, drive to the road narrowed. If you accrue something from others, then what happens is you will be driven to a very, very narrow road. Always you remember, you always want some inheritance from others. But whereas you have abundant energies inside, health inside, wealth inside. That is the meaning of it. Of what life is important. If the world is one, suppose the whole world we win. what is the importance of life if you win the world and the soul lost in the din of its own? If we won the whole world, we get all the name, for everything. But if our soul is lost in the din, what is good about winning the whole world? Then again it goes on to say, be soulless and remain condemned. If you become soulless, you shall be condemned. These words you will find normally in Bible and here. So if you are soulless, that means be soulful, be full of energy, be full of emotions, be full of love and care. So be soulless and remain condemned, or be wise and stand redeemed. If you are wise, if you stand wise, you become redeemed of all the wrong things that we talked about. So life's existence may not be next minute's gift. This existence may go away anytime. It may not be next minute's gift. If we allow to continue in us the usual rift, there is a rift inside. In the mind, in the body, in the idea, there is a rift. Don't allow that rift to continue. That's a very important thing. And the last 4 lines, let the inner mind fathom the soul's source. Let the inner mind fathom, reach, hold of the soul's source to put the being to correct the course, to put the being to correct the course of your action, course of your direction, course of your destiny, course of your progression. And last words, life's clock is made in impermanence. Life's clock is made in impermanence, not permanence. So, but can the flame in the main, in our body, main means in our body, but can the flame in the main make thee remember with permanence? Remember with permanence. So these are small things that I say. So on this occasion, everything is beautifully done. Tirupati, thank you so much. All of you, it has been Deepthi, Shirisha, and Sandhya. All of you have done very well, Shweta, and all the people who are here, because a lot of people are there. It has made my day. When you get so much of abundant love, unceasing, and continuing forever and ever. And that shall work like tonic, not today, not tomorrow, but whenever and wherever. Whenever and wherever. So I think Paramita will advance into more glorious years. Paramita Iris and Explorica, with all your support. My hats off to all the teachers who worked, all the principals who worked for the school, all the past students, alumni, all the present one, all the parents who supported the organization. Paramita will continue to, shine and outshine. Paramita will establish, as Padma has said, because I will take the name of Padma who has spoken, Tiwari, Kurshid, Rajkumari, Pramila Kumari, Padmavati Madam, and Gnatavi, and of course Kaur, Bhupender Kaur. A lot of improvement in her. And Kurshid, when she came here, she was very, very docile, very like the child of a girl kind of a thing, very innocent. But she evolved a lot, like many people evolve. So thank you so much. I don't want to take much of your time. And thank you for coming and being with me on this day and making my day. God bless you and all your families. Thank you so much.